Well, for those of you as old as me, when you're young in the 60s and you got those really nice Tonka toys that we played with, the dump truck, the excavator, you know how excited we were for Christmas. You know, I finally graduated. I've got the Tonka toy back, and here it comes. Oh my God! Jesus Christ!
Are you satisfied with that?
Oh my God! They're right. It's bigger than our house. Oh my gosh! Woohoo! Man, if this thing ain't gonna dig, nothing will. Look at that son of a gun. Looking good. Looking good. Wow.